Step 6 is the first step in the energy generating phase of glycolysis. The aldehyde in glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is oxidized and phosphorylated using inorganic phosphate to produce 1,3-bis-phosphoglycerate. Step 6 does not use ATP, and it generates the energy carrier NADH. Since step 6 requires NAD+, NADH must be oxidized back to NAD+ in the cytosol. In the presence of oxygen, in the heart, liver, and kidneys, a reducing equivalent of NADH, but not NADH itself, is shuttled into the mitochondrial matrix via the malate aspartate shuttle. The result is the oxidation of NADH in the cytosol and a concurrent reduction of NAD+ in the matrix. This is the equivalent of an exchange between the cytosol and matrix of NADH for NAD+. Muscle and brain cells rely on the glycerol phosphate shuttle to accomplish the same thing. In the absence of oxygen, NAD+ is recycled by the reduction of pyruvate to lactate by lactate dehydrogenase during fermentation.